boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Let's take a look at a cool song here from Lil Tjay. It's called Way Out the Hood. So we have a setup here with capo on the fourth, and we're gonna look at the melody and also the strumming for this song. And it goes in the same way throughout the song. So let's start this tutorial and go over the chords, and it will be the same chord progression. It will be F, A minor, C to G. All right, so let's take a look at F first. That's a bar chord where you place the index finger on the first fret and you cover all strings there. So then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. That's the first F, A minor next, and that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have C coming up there, and that will be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is G. And that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. So there we have the chord and how it goes throughout the song. Now let's start with the melody. So we have two kind of chord progression rounds that covers one round of the melody because it changes a little bit and it goes like this, alternating between the first round of this chord progression and the second round. So the first F, A minor, C, and G goes like this. So the F part goes first fret on E string with second G. Then you're gonna play third A and second G. Then you go with your A minor part, and what you're gonna pick here is the open A, second D, second G, and first B together from the actual chord. Then you're gonna play third fret, high E, and third B. Then we have the C part, and you're gonna pick third A together with open G, first B, and open high E. And then two times on the third fret E in the bass. And then you have the G part that goes third fret on E string in the bass together with open B, then open B again, then open D, and third B. And that's the end of the first round of this chord progression and the first half of this melody. So the second half of this melody goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with F again, and that part is played in the exact same way as the first F we played. So. And then we're gonna go into the A minor part, and that is to start in the same way. You'll plug the open A, second D, second G, and first B together. And then you're gonna play two more times on the second fret, the D string, and then first B. That's the A minor part. The C part starts in the same way as the first C. You're gonna play the third A, open G, first B, and open high E together. And then you're gonna play third B, and then open D. That's the C part, and the final G is played third E in the bass together with open B, then open B, open D, and third high E. So that is the only difference there from the first G, is instead of playing the third B the first round, you played now the third high E. And that's the end note of the melody. So one round, both of this, one round of the full melody, both of these two rounds of the chord progression will be like this. 2 rounds of that because it's that great, this melody, and that's what's going on here from the beginning till the end. But you can also switch it up with some strumming, and that's what we're going to look at now. So we have F, A minor, C, G still, and one string around, if you grab the F chord, will sound like this. Okay, so that is to play down, up, clap, down. So one down, a short pause, and up, clap, down. Okay, and you're gonna play one of these per chord. So very simple, F1, A minor 1, C1, and G1 like this. So either melody or strumming, that's what's going on with Lil Tjay's Way Out the Hood. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, guys. It was a pleasure for me. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, then feel free to like it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do that. And until next time, play tuned.